nice. Now I can leave. The exit door was all the way up to the left, I think. I'm trying to get pot shot by these guys too. I realize this is not the most interesting part of the playthrough as I try and platform my way up there. Okay, so let's take a look around. I know there's secrets here. That's less helpful. Okay, is there one on the other side? Okay, those are just shortcuts that lead me back down. Good to know. If I go in here... I can't jump up here. Oh! I didn't realize they go away. Huh, that's nice. Of course, if I just hang around too long, it's gonna be stormy again. This is... Oh, just can't get up there. Oh, this is the purple area, okay. So I take unnecessary damage. Okay, so let's try the door, that one in the middle. And then we'll sort of use a process elimination on the rest of the barred windows. Okay, that's nothing. Try that one at the top. Oh, okay, it's this one. I apparently have a bad memory. At least my life is full. Okay, so that's that. What was down here? Ah, new level. Okay, good, moving on. So now we got fireball shooting crows. And I need the glove to get in there. Ow! I believe the final music box is in here too. And this level's not very big, so I should be able to find it. Oh, there's the bee. I am not fast enough. Milon takes too long to get up to speed. That sucks. When he runs, he kind of like Mario needs a short distance to actually get up to running speed. Which means if you're trying to chase down something like that, it could be a challenge. This is a shop or the exit door? Okay. A crown and a cane is needed at the 4th floor. There's only one Maharito, who is the end boss, I believe. So that item there is a blimp, which will be very helpful, but I can't afford it quite yet. I might be able to buy it after I find the music box, though. Oh, that stuff regenerate? That's nice. Alright, let's keep going. So that is a fire elemental of sorts. And I don't think I can kill it because I'm missing an item. Or one that I haven't seen yet, if I remember correctly. Oh, there's music box. I think this is the last one. Person in the upper left corner has a violin or a fiddle. Let's see if I can get enough to buy that blimp here. I think I need around 50. Yeah, that works. More than enough. Ah. Oh yeah, these blocks appear to regenerate. Glide down slowly. Every time. So, if I can get... By holding the jump button, I get a slow descent for a few seconds, which is nice. And where's the honeycomb here? Let's see if we can check down here. Nope, it's not there. Touching the fireplace is what triggers that fire elemental, by the way, which I'll need to do when I want to get out of here, but for now, let's see if we can find the honeycomb. Might be up here somewhere. Ow! Oh boy, I don't want to die here. Is it up here? Nope, that's money. I'll take money. Not ready to leave just yet. Huh. That's strange. I don't think I got it already. Ah. Was it over here? Nope. Oh, there's the fire guy back again. Like I mentioned before, I can't actually kill a fire guy without a certain item, but I don't think I actually need to kill him to beat this level. Huh. Strange. Well, I guess we can always consult the internet again. I do want all of the health power-ups. Oh boy, that's not where I want to be. Let's take a look. Huh, that's interesting. According to the walkthrough, there is no honeycomb in this level. It might be the only one in the game that doesn't have one. Whoa, what are you doing up here? That's not supposed to happen. Okay, I'm gonna move on. I do have to do something here, but I don't have the item I need to take out the fire guy. So... let's see. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. Oh, he's gone. Maybe if I farm up life, I could just run past him. Oh no, it's still there. Oh boy. Yeah, he's not going anywhere. Let's see if I can glitch him off screen. Nope, still there. Oh, that's trouble. Normally he pops out when you hit the fireplace, because down there is a boss. But I do not have enough health to take on the boss right now. And he's still there. Huh.